You will be learning place value through millions, expanded form, and written form. In order to make this an interactive experience, you'll need a partner. Later on in the video, you will also need a piece of paper and a pencil, or a whiteboard and a marker. You will learn to understand place value through millions. You will learn to write numbers through millions in expanded form. You will learn to write numbers through millions in written form. Let's go over some important words. Digit. A digit is a part of a number. In the number 433,190, 9 is a digit in the tens place. Value. Based on the location of a digit in the number, it has a different value. In the number 9,896,105, there are two different 9s, but because of the location of each 9, it has a different value. The first 9 is valued at 9 million. The second 9 is valued at 90,000. Let's practice digits. Which number has 4 digits? Think. Now respond. If you said D, you're correct. 8,025 has 4 digits. Which number has the digit 0? Think. Now respond. Did you say 8,025 again? If you did, that's right. Which number has the most digits? Think. Now respond. Did you say that B, 314,142, has the most digits? I see 6 digits in that number. Now let's review to make sure we understand place value. We'll start with the simple pattern you see below. Does this look familiar? Ones, tens, hundreds. We'll repeat the pattern together. Let's go. Ones, tens, hundreds. Look for the repeating pattern. Think. How can this help you with numbers in higher place values? Explain this to your partner. In order to understand expanded form, we need to understand value. Let's look at the 4. It's in the tens place, so I know I have 4 tens. The value of the 4 is, think. Now respond. Did you say 4 tens or 40? Good job. Look at the 8. It's in the thousands place. Think about the value of the 8 since it's in the thousands place. Explain to your partner how you know what the value of the 8 is. Look at the 3. It's in the millions place. Think about the value of the 3 since it's in the millions place. Explain to your partner how you know what the value of the 3 is. Now we'll use our knowledge to write numbers like this one in expanded form. Look at each digit. What is it worth? There are 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 2 ones. We'll expand the number by putting that all into an expression. Let's look at the expression. 500 plus 40 plus 2. That's the expanded form of 542. Look at each digit. What is it worth? There are 3 10,000s, 9 thousands, 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 1 one. we'll expand the number by putting that all into an expression. 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1. That's 39,421 in expanded form. Look at each digit. What is it worth? Ask yourself, how many 10,000s? How many thousands? How many hundreds? How many tens? And how many ones? It's your turn to expand the number by putting that all into an expression. Get your whiteboard or a piece of paper, talk it over with a partner. Pause the video. In a little bit, you'll check your work. Check your answer. Did you write 40,000 plus 8,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 2? Great work! Look at each digit. What is it worth? I see 4 10 millions, 0 millions, 800 thousands, 3 10,000s, 6 thousands, 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 3 ones. How do we expand this number? We'll put all of the non-zero values into an expression. Write it down. We'll check work in just a little bit. Pause the video while you're doing your work. Check your work. Did you write 40 million plus 800,000 plus 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 3? Good work. Look at each digit. What is it worth? How many millions? How many hundred thousands? How many 10,000s? How many thousands? How many hundreds? How many tens? And how many ones? Discuss with your partner how to expand this number. Remember, you will only use the non-zero values in your expression. Now, write it down. Pause the video, and in a little bit, you'll get to check your work. Check your work. Did you write 7 million plus 800,000 plus 3,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 4? What a great mathematician you are! Now we'll learn how to use our knowledge to express numbers like this one in written form. Look at each section of the place value chart. What numbers do you see? I see 740 and 831. First, write the words for 740. Next, since 740 is in the thousands place, write the word thousand followed by a comma. Last, write the words for 831. Since 31 is a compound number between 21 and 99, make sure you hyphenate it when you write it down. Look to the left to check your work. Look at each section of the place value chart. What numbers do you see? I see 6, 315, and 239. First, we will all write the word for 6. Next, since 6 is in the millions place, we will write the word million followed by a comma. After that, we will write the word for 315. Then, since 315 is in the thousands place, we will write the word thousand followed by a comma. Last, we will write the words for 239. Since 39 is a compound number between 21 and 99, we will hyphenate it. Look over to the left to check your work. Look at each section of the place value chart. What numbers do you see? Pause the video. Make sure you have your piece of paper or your whiteboard. First, we will write the word for the number in the thousands section. Next, since it's in the thousands place, write the word thousand followed by a comma. After that, write the word for the rest of the number. Check. Are there any compound numbers between 21 and 99? Be sure to hyphenate them. Check with your partner. Pause the video, and then you're going to check your work in just a little bit. Look to the left. Check your work. Look at each section of the place value chart. What numbers do you see? First, we will write the word for the number in the millions section. After that, we will write the word for million followed by a comma. Then we will write the word for the number in the thousands section. Next, since it is in the thousands place, write the word thousand followed by a comma. After that, write the word for the rest of the number. Check. Are there any compound numbers between 21 and 99? Be sure to hyphenate them. Now, check with your partner, and in a minute, we will check your work. Make sure to pause the video. Look to the left. Check your work. Keep your paper or whiteboard out. It's time for a pop quiz. Pop quiz question number 1. Write this number in expanded form. Think about the value of each digit and then write the expression. Pause the video until you're done. You're gonna get to check your work. Did you write 6,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 2? Awesome job! Pop quiz question number 2. Use written form to write this number. Remember to look at each section and don't forget about compound numbers and commas. Pause the video until you're done because the answer is coming up. Answer number 2. Be sure to check your work. Pop quiz question number 3. Use expanded form to write this number. Think of the value of each digit. Only use non-zero numbers in your expression. Check your work. Did you write 5 million plus 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 1? Whoa, that is a long expression. Pop quiz number 4. Use written form to write this number. Look at each section. Remember the place value, commas, and dashes for compound numbers. Check your work. Look carefully at all the details. Today you learned to understand place value through millions, to write numbers through millions in expanded form, and to write numbers through millions in written form. Tell your partner what you learned today. Which one of these are you the best at now? Which one do you still need some help with? Understanding place value through millions, writing numbers through millions with expanded form, or expressing numbers through millions in written form. Thanks for watching Whimsical TeacherTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and teachers, check the description for linked products.
Created using Powtoon.